Hello, this is the new airbox design. By airbox I mean the air filter box. What was included until now into the kit was a fiberglass cap that you would use to patch your original airbox. You would cut along some markings and following some instructions and dimensions, and then you would either use some pieces of fiberglass to hold the cap in place temporarily, rivet them, and use the black silicone glue that's included into the kit, or do as I did, just fiberglass it. This design has been on my car for 2 years now. It's doable. It's not very clean, and it ruins an original part if you think about it like that. Some other small drawbacks are that there are some small clearance issues here and there, depending on tolerances of how well you trim your parts, and the brackets that hold this whole thing, they need to be loosened up a little bit, the bolts that hold the brackets, and then this whole thing needs to be adjusted a little bit in order to clear the charger and everything around it. So while this is an doable design and a working solution, it could be a little better. And this is just that. This is a 3D printed part that you will receive instead of that fiberglass molded part. You just remove the old airbox, place the new airbox underneath your metering head, bolt it on. This will come with some brackets for here and one there, and that's about it. It solves all of the clearance problems that this old design had. It also solves an issue with the old design where the frequency valve that is normally held by these two bolts has no more place, because the supercharger body is around here, and the frequency valve has to be offset a little bit in that direction, and the mounting holes don't line up anymore, and you would either have to bend some fuel lines or make a new small bracket to keep that frequency valve from vibrating and risking cracking a fuel line eventually. So this new design addresses all the clearance issues and tolerance issues that the old design had. It makes the whole thing really bolt on. The only, let's say, drawback would be that you can't run the original panel filter anymore. You will just run a cone filter located here. This takes away a little bit from originality. However, there's these covers for the filters. Maybe I'll try to find one, and I won't include one into the kit, but I don't know, link one there to the website or something. So yeah, that's one drawback. It takes away a little bit from originality. Of course, if someone still wants that one, I can still provide that. I already did some improvements to the clearance issue for on the mold, but this is what I recommend. It's smaller, cleaner. It solves all the issues that the old design had, and I will include it into the kit from now on. This airbox and the charge pipes new arrangement that I talked about in the previous video, these two will be available as an upgrade package or an update package to the kits that were already sent out. So I'll come back with more details, probably in a new video showing all this stuff on my car, and also on my new website. Thank you.